I'm going to make good old-fashioned Yorkshire puddings. Now, this is a BBC Good Food recipe, but if you want to make them for 2 people, 4 people, 1, 8, just Google it. Yorkshire puddings for 1, etc. So this requires 4 tablespoons of plain flour, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons of milk, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons of milk, 1, 2, 3, 4. An egg. And a pinch of salt. Whisk it up. So it forms a batter. And then let it stand for at least an hour. So the batter mix has been standing for an hour, and now I'm going to put it in my muffin dish. Now it's been in the oven and I've put beef dripping in and melted it, gives it a bit of flavour. So I'm going to half fill the muffin dishes up with my batter. Now these will go in the oven, on a hot oven, for roughly 15 to 20 minutes, and hopefully they should be all puffed up. In they go, with my roast potatoes as well. So obviously with your Yorkshire pudding you've got to have roast beef. Well, my beef's been in my slow cooker all day with my concoction of my gravy that I usually do. My carrots and my broccoli are actually leftovers that I've frozen, and I've got sweet potato and David's got potatoes which have been cooked in the oven in the good old beef dripping. So let's get my Yorkshires out and see what they're like. Ooh, look at them. Ooh, nice and crispy. Now there's David's, because he likes gravy on his. I don't. So this is my gravy that's my beef's been cooked in all day. Pour it over. If you ever have gravy left over, pop it in a silver tray, pop it in the freezer and it'll keep. You can use it for something else. So there's my big Yorkshires. There you go, Yorkshire pudding with my roast beef. Enjoy.